Is your child also get confused while solving the division questions? So this video is completely for you. Please watch till end. डिवीजन चैप्टर में बच्चे अधिकतर कंफ्यूज होते हैं। इसका रीजन है कि वो इसके बेसिक्स को ही नहीं समझ पाते। तो आज हम वही बेसिक करेंगे और डिवीजन को अच्छे से समझेंगे। देखिए, डिवीजन का मतलब क्या होता है? दैट वी हैव टू डिवाइड, बट वी हैव टू डिवाइड इक्वली। सो वी कैन से फॉर इक्वल शेयरिंग we have to use the concept of division. Suppose if a person has 18 chocolates and these 18 chocolates must be distributed among three children, must be distributed among three children, then how much chocolate will each child get? So whenever you find this word in your question, each child, this means this is the question of division. But before solving these kind of word problems, first we have to understand what are the division parts. Okay, let me start. In division, actually there are three main terms. These terms are, first is divisor, then there is a dividend, and next is the quotient. One more is there, we call it remainder. That fourth part is remainder. Okay, so divisor is something we can call the number of groups, है ना, कि हमें वो चॉकलेट कितने बच्चों में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करनी है, द नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स। एंड द डिविडेंड इज द नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स, कि वो आइटम्स है कितने। ओके, एंड अवर क्वेश्चन विल टेल कि हाउ मच ईच चाइल्ड विल गेट, कि एक चाइल्ड को कितनी मिलेगी, हमें हमारे क्वेश्चन से पता चलता है। एंड रिमाइंडर विल टेल कि क्या उसमें कुछ बच भी जाएगी या वो सारी की सारी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएगी। इट कैन बी जीरो और इट कैन बी लेस देन अवर डिवाइस। I think this point is clear to you. If still you are facing any doubt, you can mention in the comment section below. Okay, moving ahead, I'm changing this slide and then we will understand how we use these terms in our questions like divisor, dividend, quotient, and how to solve such kind of questions. Okay, so let me explain. Let us start from the divisor. So taking the same question, in that question, our divisor was 3. Our dividend was 18, and now we have to solve, है ना? So to solve division or multiplication, the thing one must know are the tables. Okay, so tables are must. Without tables, you cannot solve neither the multiplication nor this division concept. So tables are must. If you want to learn the shortcut tricks for the tables also, just mention in the comment section below. I will make a separate video of that. Okay, so one must know the tables first. Okay, so there are different ways to solve these division question. Let me tell you the one. If our dividend is a very smaller value like 18 in this case, okay, and our divisor is 3, okay, the symbol for the division is like this. And we always use a symbol for the mathematical operations, like we know for the addition, the symbol is like this. For the addition, for add, suppose we want to add any question, we use the symbol like this. For the subtraction, the symbol is like this. And for the multiplication, there is a cross. And for the division also, there is a symbol which represents uh, the question is of division. I'm writing here. So the symbol for the division is like, okay. So in this case, what you have to do, just read the table of 3 till you get 80. So we know okay, 3 times 6 is 80. So our answer is 6 in this case. And the second method is long division method. Second method to solve the division part is long division method. And we prefer this method whenever dividend is a larger number. Means we cannot read the table till that number, then we use the long division method, and we will discuss this topic in detail. Dividend as a larger number. In that case, we follow long division method. Till now, if you are feeling any doubt, just mention in the comment section below. I will take your every doubt and solve all the confusion. Okay. So now let us move to long division method. This long division method is very important because in exams you will find most of the questions related to that long division method. So just make it a bold in a bold letter. Just mention long division method. Okay. So let me take a bigger number, a larger number. Suppose 78 divided by, suppose it is 2. So in that case, you can see that 78 is our dividend, 2 is our divisor. Okay. So this kind of pattern we follow to divide. Okay. Here we put our divisor. In between the box, we put our dividend. I am mentioning here dividend. Whatever multiple we are using, we put here. And whatever is coming is our question. And in the end, whatever we are getting will be our remainder. Okay. Now let us take the same question. So taking the same question, in the place of dividend, I am using 78. And in place of divisor, I am using 2. Now let us solve for our question and for the remainder. Okay. So now how to divide when the number our dividend is larger number, our dividend is a larger number, how to solve? See, we will start from our first number, which is 7. Now we have to read the table of 2 until 7 or less than 7 is coming. Means हमें 2 की table read करनी है जब तक 7 नहीं आ जाता या 7 से छोटा number नहीं आ जाता. So we know कि 2 times 3 is 6. So these tables you must know at least till 9. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6. We are subtracting it. We are getting 1 here. Next digit we have to bring down, and it is 8. Again, reading the table of 2, we are getting 2 times 9 is 18. And we are getting our remainder 0. So this means, suppose for the same question, if we have a 78 chocolate, we have to distribute among the 2 children, then definitely each child will get 39 chocolates and no chocolate will get remain. Because the remainder is 0. Okay, so no chocolate will be remaining and each child will get 39 chocolates. Okay, now changing this question again, I am making our dividend a still bigger number. Let us take 7892. Okay, and taking here again 7892. Now you will see कि when the dividend get changed or the divisor get changed, definitely it is a new question. So we will get a new question and new remainders. Now suppose our dividend is 7892. Means now the number of chocolates are 7892 and we have to distribute among the 2 children. Same procedure. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtracting, getting 1, bring down 8. 2 times 9 is 18. Remainder 0. Bring down 9. 9 is not coming in the table of 2. So less than 9 is 8, which is 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtracting, we are getting 1. Bring down 2. Now 2 times 6 is 12. Now the remainder is again 0. So now you got the concept that each child will get 3946. Still, if you're facing any doubt, you can mention in the comment box. I will solve your query there. Okay. So these are the simple division questions. Hopefully this much is clear to you. One more thing, there is a division algorithm. Let us discuss the division algorithm here. Again, okay, mentioning here our division algorithm. Division algorithm. What is that division algorithm? Every time you will find our dividend, now you know what is dividend, always equal to our divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Means if you put the value of divisor 2, quotient 3946, multiply them and add the remainder 0, you will get the dividend equal to 789. Okay, so actually this is the basic concept, but one more thing where the child get confused. Let me solve that also. Okay, guys. So let me take one more question, which is 2068. Now let us distribute 2068 chocolates among the two children. You know, divisor can be any. It can be 3, it can be 4, any number you can take. है And accordingly, you have to follow that table. Okay, means the table of the divisor we have to follow. Okay, now again, if the 2. Again, first number is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Subtracting it, getting 0, bring it down 0. Now, when we bring down something, any number, but 0 or any number is not coming in the table of our divisor, still we have to give a multiple here in our question. Means अगर हमने कुछ bring down किया है तो हमें question में कुछ ना कुछ digit जरूर mention करनी है as the multiple. Okay, तो अगर कुछ भी digit नहीं आ रही, okay, then you can use 0 here. So 2 times 0 is 0. As I bring down 0, but 0 is not coming in the table of 2, so I am using 0 in the question. हमने कुछ bring down किया है, but वो table में नहीं आता है. Still, we have to give something to our question. As a multiple, I use here 0. 2 times 0 is 0. Don't miss that 0 in the question part. Otherwise, your answer will get wrong. Now, in the next digit, I am taking 6 down. 6 is coming at the multiple 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtracting it, making it 0. Again, one more number is 8. Okay, so 2 times 4 is 8. Subtracting it, getting 0. Now, hopefully, now you can solve every kind of question here. Okay, the main point to note here is that कि अगर आप कुछ डिविडेंड से नीचे ब्रिंग डाउन कर रहे हैं और वो टेबल में नहीं आता, जो टेबल आपकी डिवाइजर की है, तब भी आप क्वेश्चन को कोई डिजिट जरूर देना, चाहे आप 0 दें. Okay, so this is all basic concepts of division. If you learn this much concept ना, अगर आपको इतना concept भी आ गया है तो डेफिनेटली आप डिवीजन को समझने में कहीं भी गलती नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि बेसिक आपने समझ लिया. इसके ऊपर जो भी एड ऑन होता है, यू विल बी इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड. स्टिल, अगर आपको कोई डाउट है या अगर आप कोई सेपरेट वीडियो चाहते हैं किसी टॉपिक पे, तो प्लीज मेंशन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. ऑलवेज फॉलो आवर चैनल जिसका नाम है स्माइल्स एंड साउंड्स विद नेहा. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye, guys. Take care.